Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat lag in Moto G77. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear app cache. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search Snapchat. Now click on Snapchat, scroll down, click on storage and cache. Now here you will see two options, clear cache and clear storage, and if you want to clear cache then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, Snapchat will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, scroll down, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reinstall Snapchat, open Play Store, click on search bar, search Snapchat. Now click on Snapchat and click on uninstall. Again click on uninstall. After again click on uninstall, Snapchat will be installed from your phone. And if you want to reinstall Snapchat, then click on install. After click on install, reinstall Snapchat from your phone. This is how you can fix Snapchat lag in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.